guys, it's Miss Crazy Llama, and today I am going to be doing a DIY craft. It's kind of like the one that we did last time, but it's a different color. So, I'm going to be making slime again, but this time it's just going to be white. It's not going to be a certain color because I still don't have a white slime, so why not? But I have 2 glue bottles, which I'm only going to be using I don't know, like a tiny bit of glue bottle. So yeah. Okay, so you are going to need a glue, so an Elmer's school glue, or any type of brand. Some slime activators, what I'm using. Tide or like laundry detergent will not work because it is colored, and I forgot something. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. So the next thing that you're gonna need is something to mix in, like for everything else, and something to stir with. I do not have any plastic stuff. I wish I did. I highly recommend those over other dishes. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first I am going to be adding in my glue like always. So, oh! It's not like I got some on my jeans. Okay, so let's pour that in. So like that much. I like how I said a little bit. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say that you need a container to put it in. I got these off of Amazon. They were way cheap for 125 of them. They were only like $7 for 125 of them. So I'd highly also recommend that, getting those. But it took a while to get here. So yeah, that's the only bad thing. But, so now, the next step is adding your slime activator inside of your glue. You could dye it any color you want with either paint or what's it called? Food coloring. So yeah. So on slime activator, if you put it in a plastic bottle like this, you would always want to label it slime activator, do not drink. So no one, like none of your friends or family members drinks out of it thinking that it's water. And yes, this is my first time wearing a choker. So, and I changed the sign, but it's an infinity sign. So yeah, let's stop getting off topic and get to, okay. So you pour only a tiny bit at a time. Okay, so like that much until you get the consistency, I can't say it, that you want. So until it turns into the slime that you like, I should say. I don't know how to say the other one. So yeah, only a tiny bit at a time so you don't overdo it. So yeah, just keep on doing this. Stirring. Okay, so now I finally, oh wait, never mind. This is what I get for wiping my hands on my carpet. So much dog hair. Okay, so when it becomes a big glob like this, that is perfect. So let's start kneading it. Oh gosh. I accidentally got some dog hair in it. That's fine. It's totally fine. I'm not gonna cry about it. Yeah. Just knead it, you know. Yep. Kneading it. Still kneading it. Yep. Still kneading. Oh yeah, and guys, I forgot to mention, but I am going to be using some lotion also, so to make it stretchy. So yeah, I will be right back to grab that. Okay, so I grabbed this one. It is a Hawaii Passion Fruit Kiss, and I got it at Bath and Body Works because, yeah, that's where I get all my lotions at. So yeah, I will be adding this, and then I'll get right back. So you only need a tiny bit of lotion. You can't really see it because the slime is white, but yeah, you only need a tiny bit, not a lot. Okay, so I wouldn't say this slime is the best, but you know, it's workable, I guess. Don't add as much borax as I did, because then it won't be that stretchy. It just like kind of tear apart. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and go check out my Instagram down below, right? Yeah, down below, and comment some questions, because soon I am going to be doing Q&A, maybe next month, I don't know. But yeah, make sure you guys do that, and yeah, goodbye.